Drink water here. The new video. We got a Caimano. Awesome. We got Grazioso. Awesome. Veloce. Awesome. And another manganese steel knife. If you wanted to see another manganese steel knife, you're in luck. This is a open box return, White Mountain knives. Kubey. Not Kubey. Not Kubey. Kubey. Let's see. Description said this had a stiff detent. That's why it was returned. I think it's just got a stiff box. Let's see. Yeah. The Momentum. Is there anything in here? There's something in here. There's something in there. Fortune cookie. The freaking card. Okay. Let's see. I already flicked it. Second flick to the front. Awesome. Reverse. Cool. Thumb. Awesome. So this, someone just said it was a stiff detent and returned it for, I don't know, maybe they have little freaking baby hands or something. This is the Momentum. OS 10. Good stuff. Manganese logo. This is like a black stonewash. Ultim handle. This is my first experience with Ultim. It's got cool little lines in it. Pretty awesome. Detent's not stiff. Oh, shit. Alright. Oh no, I dropped it. I better return it. Stiff detent. Nah. Yeah, this thing's cool. Always wanted to check one out. Feels good. Looks good. Man, that top flipper works really good. Cool blade design. Jimping. Yeah, this is Pretty cool. Let's see. It's about the same as the Grazioso in length. Tiny bit shorter maybe. There we go. It's my McGannis steel lineup. Awesome designs. It's, his website's ms-knives.com. If you want to check it out, he's got a new one on pre-order, going pre-order right now. Looks awesome. Check out McGannis Nail. I like his stuff. Grazioso, Caimano, Veloce. Love this thing. So I carry this a lot. Gonna wear that anvil right off. Now the Momentum. Very cool. Probably about 3-inch blade, 3 1/4, 3-inch. What we got? What we got? Move. Move. You go over there, you go over there. Oh. Guess total blade length is about 3 1/2. 3 1/4 cutting edge. Total length. Friggin' just under 8-inch total length. Decent. I was worried this was going to be like a small knife, but it's not. Yeah, I like the dark stonewash finish. Looks really good with the Ultim. Ultim's kind of nice on certain things. I think it looks good on this one. Some knives it just doesn't do it for me. With the black, looks awesome. Flick it a few more times. Flick it a few more times. Flick it one more time. Reverse flick it. Flick again. Yeah, this thing's cool. Kubey Momentum. Sharif McGannis design. Very cool. Thanks for watching.